importance क्या होती है, what role gut plays and can play in your overall health. It is not just your digestive disorders, केवल digestive disorders नहीं है, hormonal imbalances भी हैं, thyroid की conditions हैं, even diabetes की condition है, तमाम जगहों पे pain है, definitely autoimmune conditions है और allergies भी हैं. तो इन सारी चीजों का रास्ता कहीं ना कहीं गट से निकलता है. Now, what we need to, before I hand it over to Dr. Preeti, what I need all of us to understand is that we are talking here about functional medicine. Abhi, functional medicine is not a diet plan. It's not merely only food oriented. It goes much more beyond. So, functional medicine is the study of biochemistry of our human body. और उसमें हार्मोन्स का और एंजाइम्स का किस तरह से बैलेंस बना रहना चाहिए ताकि एक हार्मनी में बॉडी रहे, उस पूरी साइंस को किस तरीके से हम यूज कर सकते हैं, तमाम नेचुरल हार्मोन्स को, खाने को, नेचुरल चीजों को, जिससे कि एक बैलेंस बनाया जा सके. दैट एंटायर स्टडी इज कॉल्ड फंक्शनल मेडिसिन. देयर आर वेरी फ्यू हैंडफुल ऑफ डॉक्टर्स, फंक्शनल मेडिसिन डॉक्टर्स इन इंडिया. कुछ 20 या 30 ऐसे अच्छे डॉक्टर्स हैं पूरे हिंदुस्तान में फंक्शनल मेडिसिन के. सो वी आर वेरी लकी टू हैव विद अस डॉक्टर प्रीति नंदा सिब्बल. Dr. Preeti Nanda is an MBBS doctor. She has around 27, 28 and even more years of experience, both in corporate and also as a functioning doctor. She's also a functional medicine doctor. Or as a functional medicine doctor, she has treated thousands of patients suffering from all of these kind of diseases. So what we have done is we have taken all of that experiences and compiled together this beautiful program in a very structured format. 4 हफ्तों का एक प्रोग्राम रहता है. वो कैसे क्या होता है, किस तरह से होता है, किस तरह के लोगों की हेल्प कर सकता है, और उसके अलावा कैसे आप अपने चीजों से रिलेट कर सकते हो. ऑल ऑफ दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस, and we are going to discuss some very beautiful, wonderful things which you may or may not be aware of. So I'll hand it over to Dr. Sibbal, and I'll shut up now.
Thank you, Ayush, for such a beautiful introduction, and welcome everybody. So first of all, let me wish all of you a very, very Merry Christmas. The new year is just few days away. And I think all of you have given yourself a very, very nice Christmas gift by taking out this 1 hour or 1.5 hours to know more about gut health. So perfect. So I'll just share my screen with you. So am I audible? If yes, please give me a Y in the chat box. Yeah, if I'm audible, please give me a Y in the chat box. Perfect. So Rachana, you can keep asking questions in the chat box, and we will take all the questions in the end. Perfect. Great. So Merry Christmas to all of you and wish you a Happy New Year in advance. So let's talk about, gut health. What do you understand by gut, friends? Gut से क्या समझ में आता है आपको? Thank you, Tanya. So gut से क्या समझ में आता है आपको? Gut. G-U-T. Intestine. More than intestine. Stomach health. Yes, that is a part of gut health. What else? Complete metabolism. Yes. Yes. Can somebody elaborate it a little more? Yes, the alimentary system. So, हमारे mouth से लेकर anus तक, पूरा का पूरा अंदर, from our mouth to the anus, there is a gut which actually digests our food, creates energy in the body, and it is the second brain. Yes, Vaishali, it is the second brain. And the beauty about gut is 80 to 90% of our happy hormone. Which one is that? Serotonin. And 50% of our hormone, which actually makes us feel good, accomplished, gives us the self-worth we all want, and we work so much कि हमें वो self-worth की feeling आए, वो सब डोपामिन से जो आती है, वो 50% हमारे गट में बनता है. गट इज दैट इंपॉर्टेंट. हमारी एनर्जी गट से है. एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली फ्रेंड्स, एंड व्हाई डू आई से अनफॉर्चुनेटली, क्योंकि एक्चुअली ये बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि लास्ट 50 सालों में जितनी भी नई डिजीजेस आई हैं, जो कि आज की डेट में 70 से 75% डेथ्स का कॉज है, वो सारी की सारी किससे रिलेटेड है? All of them are related with what? With gut health. Yes. तो सारी की सारी gut health से related है. Right? So let's understand what this means. I am 1989 batch Amritsar Medical College student. That time, we never used to say diabetes is reversible. We never used to think that so many diseases would be happening because of gut. A lot of focus was on infection control, on surgeries and other stuff. कहते ना, देखते देखते the whole scenario of health changed. Gut became so important because lifestyle diseases increased. The number of patients with cancer are much, much, much higher than what they were, 30 years back. And that is the reason now it is important for all of us to understand gut. Second change, which I very profoundly feel, friends, is that there was a time jab we used to fall sick, we could go to a doctor, trust the doctor, he would prescribe us 2 medicines and we would be all right. Yes or no? ऐसा होता था कि नहीं होता था? है ना? Most of our parents used to have a family physician. We also used to fall sick. They used to take us there, and blindly, we never used to, think about doing anything on our own. But now what has changed? Now we have lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases, they happen from inside. And when they happen from inside, a doctor can only guide you. You have to do a lot of things. So I personally feel that now is the time when you have to take charge of your own health. A doctor can guide you, doctor can correct your infections, can correct your deficiencies, can tell you what to do. But who has to do all of that? You, right? And that is the reason I keep telling people, see, we all learn profit and loss statement. We all learn cooking when we have kids, even if we don't know it before that. Why? Because it is mandatory. I think now it is mandatory for all of us to take a little more interest in our health, to understand our health a little more, so that we are able to take right actions and, live a lifestyle which keeps us away from diseases. So if you agree with it, friends, give me a capital A in the chat box. Capital A. So only Devasis agrees. No. Stuti, Vaibhav, Manideep, Shija, Arvind, Roshni, Manisha. Perfect. Great. So let's see a little more about then gut health. So friends, before I start, let me share with you my own story. As I told you, an MBBS from Amritsar Medical College. I'd done my MBA from IIM Lucknow. And I've done my fellowship in functional medicine from George Washington University, US. I'm an author. I've written a book, Cyclic Keto. And the other one is about to come, 4-hour rapid fat loss method. Right? And how did I do all of this? I was heading VLCC 5 years back. And then one fine day, I became a diabetic. I was obese, 86 kgs. I had cervical, I had migraine, I had hypothyroidism. And I had fibroids and body aches and fibromyalgia, all of that. And my life was continuing. But the moment I was diagnosed as a diabetic, my life, just shattered. Why? Because I had aunts who had spent last 30, 35 years of their life on bed. I had seen patients whose life had become really difficult because of these diseases in the last few years. And I never wanted to get into that situation. And as we all know, jab dhoomne niklo to we find the right sources, right? So when I was traveling to US and I was very determined that I have to reverse my diabetes, and I came to know about functional medicine, which as Ayush has very nicely explained, it's biochemistry of our body. So how I look at it is, the symptoms or allopathic medicine looks at the tip of the iceberg, which only works on the symptoms. But functional medicine looks at the lifestyle, at the genetics, and at the environmental reasons of the disease. If we look at all three in advance, then we don't have symptoms and we don't need allopathy to stop our symptoms. I followed that thing and I reversed my diabetes. I lost about 27 kgs of weight, right? I'm 64 now. You can calculate. I, of course, anti-aged myself, started looking younger, and got relief from problems of constipation, migraine, detoxified my body. I was an asthmatic for last 5 years. I've not had an asthma attack. And so I can go on and on. But my body was in a mess till I really took control of it. And I strongly believe what I did to reverse my conditions, I'm going to share all those with you so that you can also benefit. So let's look at what is gut. We've already seen from our mouth to our anus is our gut. And what is the function of the gut? Digestion, absorption, and excretion. How many of you are really careful what are you eating? Or you have heard something about what you should eat? Yes. So I think a lot of us are focusing on what we should eat, what is healthy, right? But that is just the start of the journey. That is like if you have plans to go to Mumbai from Delhi, you book your tickets. Is it all what is required to reach Mumbai from Delhi? Is that all what is required? Right, but Sanchita, you have heard, you are careful of what you should eat, right? So that most of us are doing, a lot of people are making us aware about that. But what is not happening is we are not monitoring whether what we are eating is getting digested properly, whether what we are getting, our intestine, small and large, is absorbing it properly, and whether what we are eating, the volume out of it is coming out and is getting excreted properly or not. And friends, it is very important that with what, you know how much is getting absorbed and whether it is getting excreted properly or not, right? Which means you need to know whether your stomach is releasing enough acid, whether your pancreas and gallbladder are releasing enough bile and releasing enough enzymes. Your large intestine and small intestine are absorbing the nutrients properly. And whether you are constipated or not constipated. So proper excretion means passing motion twice a day. Even if it's once a day or thrice a day, it's fine. Anything less than that or more than that is telling you that maybe you need to work a little more on your gut. Right? And unfortunately, because we are not working on These three parameters of our gut. We are only worried about what we are eating, and that too because of the environment and because of the Swiggies and Zomatos. Man lalchai jata hai, right? So all of us do eat junk sometimes, if not very often. Yeah. Now, what has that led to? That has led to, like I said, the curse of modern times, the cause of all lifestyle diseases. And that is called as leaky gut. So if you go to allopathic doctor and say leaky gut, he'll say there's nothing called leaky gut. So when you go to an allopathic doctor like myself, you have to call it intestinal permeability. Now, what happens here? Can you see this gut, friends? Yes. So you see there are a lot of organisms inside and some bacteria and fungi and parasites. And what you see outside? You see a single layered lining, and this lining is covered with mucus so that it stays safe. Now what happens? When there is any infection, there is any allergy, there is stress. How many of you experience stress at times? Yes or no? कितने लोगों को स्ट्रेस फील होता है कभी कभी? राइट. सो वो जो स्ट्रेस है, अगर आप अच्छे से मैनेज नहीं करते हो तो क्या होता है? आपकी गट लाइनिंग में गैप्स बन जाते हैं, ये लीकी हो जाती है. और लीकी होके क्या होता है? लीकी होके these bacteria start entering your blood vessels, है ना? एंड फिर क्या होता है? हमारी बॉडी का जो इम्यून सिस्टम है, आप सबको पता है, बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड, दैट आवर बॉडी हैज ए इम्यून सिस्टम विच इज आवर आर्मी विच कीप्स अस सेफ फ्रॉम आउटसाइडर्स, राइट? हमारी बॉडी का जो इम्यून सिस्टम है वो मिस फायर होने लगता है. क्या होने लगता है? What starts happening? Yes, misfire. मिसफायर होने लगता है. एंड जब ये मिसफायर होता है तो we get all sorts of lifestyle diseases, obesity, diabetes, hypothyroidism, hormonal imbalance, attention deficit syndrome, autism, depression, mood swings, constipation, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, ankylosing spondylitis, rheumatoid arthritis, and I can go on and on. There are 80 autoimmune disorders, and there are many, many more lifestyle diseases, and all of them somewhere get connected to leaky gut. So friends, what can we do to stay safe? Any guesses? Anybody who can tell me what can we do to stay safe or stay away from diseases? Yes, Dr. Harsh, stress-free, extremely, extremely important. और अगर मुझे इसको one line में बोलना हो ना तो मैं बोलूंगी go back to the roots. Right? Starting from breathe कैसे करना है. You know, patients come to my clinic and I tell them, please breathe in front of me, do deep breathing. 80% plus are not breathing properly. 80% plus. We are always weaning in stress mode, which is a sympathetic mode. And that is where all the garbage starts. Right? So let's see what happens जब ये होता है. And before that, this is what I want to share. As I told you in the beginning, अगर हमारा gut healthy है तो brain खुश है. और अगर हमारा gut leaky है तो brain depression में है, anxiety में है, stress में है. And पता है friends, interestingly what I've seen, so this is our 5th batch now and I did 3 more before this. So 8 batches I've conducted till now. And what I've seen is all those patients who come with anxiety to us, they report improvement in anxiety after changing their diet and making their life a little stress-free. Just in a matter of 3 weeks. No medicines, no supplements, nothing at all. How many of you have experienced this or actually can believe, yes, that if you take care of your gut, you can be more happier and more energetic? Right. And there is lots of science behind it. We all know our Ayurveda has been talking about it. Our yogis talk about it. But somehow, in between, we forgot all of this. But high time we come back to our roots. We come back to our traditional practices. अब होता क्या है जब लीकी गट हो जाता है? तो जब लीकी गट हो जाता है, सबसे पहले डाइजेस्टिव हेल्थ गोज आउट ऑफ ऑर्डर. Why? इरिटेबल बाउल सिंड्रोम होता है, ब्लोटिंग होती है, फैटी लिवर होने लगता है. You know, I remember when I was in medical college, it was very commonly known that if you have fatty liver, the guy has to be or the female has to be alcoholic. Is that the case today? No. 40-50% of us have fatty liver even when we are not drinking alcohol. And the reason is leaky gut and bad metabolism. Hyperacidity. You know, friends, you can feel acidity because of not only making more acid. There is another reason where you feel the same symptoms as when you feel when you are making more acid. Anybody who will tell me what is that? Stress nahi, something else. जब हमारी बॉडी, yes, very connected, but जब हमारी बॉडी कम एसिड बनाती है, then also you have the same symptoms, friends. And yes, Manideep, when you are stressed, when you are under anger, your body makes less acid. After 30 years, as it is, body makes less acid. And what do? We keep popping antacids. Yes or no? And keep decreasing the acid even less and less. And what happens? This creates a situation in our stomach where more infections can happen. So अगर आपके किसी गार्डन में या किसी पॉट में काई जम जाती है तो क्या होता है? वो और काई जमती रहती है, right? That's the type of situation we create because of less acid in our stomach. So if any one of you is taking antacids, please make sure you're taking only when you are making more acid. If you are making less, then taking these antacids will actually screw the whole situation. Talk to a functional medicine doctor, get it checked out whether you're making more acid or less. Anybody who takes antacids off and on, note it down and do it tomorrow morning. Constipation हो जाता है, metabolism खराब हो जाता है, indigestion, esophagitis and all of that. Now, if we don't take care of that, what happens? Allergies. Sinusitis, patients जिनको sinusitis होता है, मैंने generally देखा है, they have fungal infection. If you heal their fungal infection, their sinusitis gets cured and doesn't come back again and again. Asthma. As I told you, it's a balance of TH2 and their gut plays a huge role. Eczema. Food intolerances start happening. And you would have seen, अगर आपके घर में कोई है जिसको food intolerance है, अभी 4 foods को intolerant होते हैं, 3-4 साल बाद 4 और को हो जाते हैं. So the type of foods or the foods they can eat keeps on decreasing and decreasing and decreasing till they correct their gut. Dyspnea, that is breathlessness, bronchitis, body aches and pains and headaches. Migraine, 60-70% of migraines are because of food allergies, which lead to leaky gut. And remaining are because of deficiencies, right? So anybody, if you know anybody who has migraine, it's your responsibility to tell them that can be the cause, friend. Just look into that. Hormonal imbalances. Diabetes, thyroid, insulin and insulin resistance or hyperinsulinemia. Adrenal fatigue. Lot of people I see these days जिनको अचानक से गुस्सा आता है, अचानक से रोना आ जाता है, घबराहट होने लगती है. आई एम सीइंग वो एड्रिनल फटीग में चल रहे हैं. पहले हम क्या करते थे, हम सोचते थे ज्यादा स्ट्रेस से कॉर्टिसोल ज्यादा हो रहा है और इसलिए हम मेडिटेशन करो एंड रिलैक्सेंट्स लो. वी यूज्ड टू डू ऑल ऑफ दैट. But now I'm seeing a new trend even in young people. Cortisol is low. And cortisol is the hormone which makes you live. You know, if your cortisol goes down to 0, you will be no more alive. And we are seeing lots and lots of that. And one of the big reasons for that, again, is leaky gut. Premenopausal or premenstrual symptoms, testosterone deficiency, which is becoming very common in young boys these days. And if you don't take care of all these stages, you land up with autoimmune diseases like psoriasis, like vitiligo, like rheumatoid arthritis, like Crohn's, like Hashimoto's thyroiditis, which is a type of thyroid problem where you have antibodies against your thyroid, which is an autoimmune disease. Lupus, irritable bowel syndrome, urticaria, ankylosing spondylitis, MS, even PCOS now falls in autoimmune disease as per few people. Autism falls under autoimmune disease as per few people. So this is what we land up with. And this is not all, friends. Lot of cancers are because of leaky gut. So how many of you really want to understand, you know, that what can they do for leaky gut? If you really want to understand what you can do for leaky gut and what is it that I propose as the first step is give me a thumbs up in the chat box. Thumbs up, guys. We're 200 people here, so I need 200 thumbs up. If you give me energy, I give you energy back. Yes. I need some more energy. I've only got 30 odd thumbs up. Perfect. So let's see what we can do. So are you ready to see the solution? Great. The first thing which we need to do to know whether we have leaky gut or not, one is we can get it tested. There is a test called zonulin for which we have to send the sample out of India and we can know whether we have leaky gut or not. The second is that we change our eating habits for 3 weeks and then find out whether we have leaky gut or not. Right? And I prefer the second route, which I call finding the dead rat. So let's see हमको करना क्या है उसमें, finding the dead rat में. This is called elimination diet. Very, very popular outside of India also. And you know what? In India, it's even more popular than outside. Every time when Navratras come, and all those who fast during Navratras, you are doing a form of elimination diet. They just don't eliminate dairy and peanuts because उस time पे इन foods में problem नहीं था. But gluten वो तब भी हमारा avoid कराते हैं नवरात्रों में, क्यों? So that our body can detox properly. So what I'm saying we do is, or what the solution is, or start to the solution of the problem is, it supports healthy microbiome by going dairy-free, gluten-free, avoid peanuts, eggs, oranges, and soya. What happens when we avoid these? We introduce more vegetables in fruits, which leads to more phytonutrients and which helps us heal our gut. It also reduces the toxic burden. Friends, there is no calorie restriction. So if you think that the weight loss happened for people because they were taking less calories, no. No calorie restriction. You eat as much as you want. It promotes body awareness to food. You become sensitive to food. You start listening to your body. You start understanding body mein ho kya raha hai. You identify food triggers. And most importantly, inflammation in your body because of leaky gut decreases. So what we do is we track your symptoms and we measure your condition. And by doing this, your gut comes into balance and hence your other diseases settle. You know what? In the last batch, what happened? Today, I was talking to that patient and she said, I don't know why, but I was on statins for my cholesterol. And my cholesterol has come so low that now I have to stop statins. And she was so very surprised, hua kya hai? But we all know high cholesterol, fatty liver, they are all an equation of what? What are the equation of? Bad metabolism, right? Yes. So what we are saying is, do try and find out your path towards complete cure. So work on the cause, not on the symptoms, right? So what we'd say is that you do elimination diet, track your symptoms in the beginning and then every week. Gradually, week by week, your gut starts to heal. After 3 weeks, we introduce all foods one by one. And again, monitor our symptoms. Koi symptom badha to nahi? Have we become lazy? Have we become less energetic? Are we having more acidity? Are we feeling constipated? Interpret those in a way whether which food suits you, which food does not suit you. And accordingly make your healthy eating plan for the coming months. So when you do this circle, you actually find out the dead rat and you also give your gut the opportunity to heal itself. So anybody who is looking for detox, for weight loss, for any allergic problems, autoimmune diseases, digestive disorders, diabetes, hypothyroidism, PCOS, you must try elimination diet. You can try it on your own, or you can try with us in the group where we make it a game and it becomes a very, very easy thing to do. So if you want to see a new transformed you, I think today's diseases require that we work on the root cause of the problem, right? And starting this journey means you have to find out the dead rat. So 4 weeks, will look like this for you. Week 1 will be elimination diet. We will tell you what foods to eliminate, what not to. You will get used to this, and in week 2, your gut would be cleaner and it would start healing on its own. Week 3, we will do emotional well-being exercises so that you can work on your stress part. How many of you believe sharing is caring? How many of you believe sharing is caring? Right? That is what I want to tell you. So when you share your emotional setbacks, you care for your own gut. Right? And then week 4 is about introducing foods, observations, interpretations, and finally we do one-to-one consultation in the end. With all this data with us so that we actually know what is happening and why it is happening. And then I advise all of you what to do, any supplements if you have to include, anything you have to avoid, for how long. We discuss all that and I answer all your health queries. So Ayush,
yes,
over to you. Yeah. And then I'm here for questions.
Sure.
Thank you.
So I'll just, before we go towards, any other part, Q&A and everything, and the price of the program and so on, let me just elaborate a little bit upon the structure of the program. So exactly what is going to happen when you get into the program. So first of all, the program is beginning New Year, 1st of January, pehla din, pehla naya savera. So 1st of Jan, Friday, 7 p.m. the program is beginning. The program typically, by and large, it has 4 sessions. It starts with elimination diet, but day 1 पे आपका elimination diet नहीं शुरू होगा. We give you a little bit of time to settle down. So we start with a few waters. You continue with the regular meal, whatever you're taking. 2-1 दिन के लिए आपको टाइम दिया जाएगा सेटल करने के लिए. उस समय में आप कोरिएंडर वाटर, मेथी वाटर and several other kinds of water to allow your bodily systems to settle down. And then we start with elimination diet. We do eliminate a bunch of things. It's not just gluten and dairy. It's all the things which for your body might be causing you any kind of trouble, any kind of inflammation. तो सारी चीजें बंद करी जाएंगी. Day 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6, you start reporting your symptoms on a 10-point scale. आप एसिडिटी, ब्लोटिंग, जो भी पेन्स हो रहे हैं, जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हो रही हैं, सारी चीजों के बारे में आप अपने सिम्टम्स के बारे में लिखेंगे. बेसिस दैट योर डाइट वुड गेट चेंज्ड on the next day and the next day. By the end of the week, everyone is on their own personalized elimination diet. तो symptom tracking भी साथ में हो रही है. Second week is about gut healing. Gut healing के week में we would introduce foods which will help your gut to heal. We have already reduced or eliminated whatever is causing or potentially causing any trouble. अभी हम heal करने के ऊपर आएंगे. So we would introduce a lot of foods. For some people, specific conditions, there could be prebiotics and probiotics, and in very rare cases, there could be some supplementations as well. Week 3, we would be is about gut-brain axis. So week 3 में we would be talking about different kinds of affirmations. We would be talking about group therapy. बहुत positive environment रहता है. There is a buddy system and all of that. We would be introducing some breathing techniques as well. तो वो gut healing आपकी accelerate होगी, because as Dr. Preeti suggested, उन्होंने बताया था gut brain axis की वजह से अगर आपकी brain health पे काम हो तो आपकी gut health के ऊपर automatically एक rejuvenation को बल मिलेगा. So it will accelerate. The rejuvenation would accelerate. So 3rd week that happens. In the 4th week, one by one, we would be reintroducing whatever we have eliminated. And again, we would be making a comparison. Your body, your mind would be making a comparison ki suitability kahan hai, kaise. All of this, towards the end, we now have all the data about you. We understand about you. We understand your progression towards symptoms, your relationship with food. सारी चीजों knowledge होने के बाद में initially हम आपसे information भी collect करते हैं. You can also share your reports and all of that in the beginning of the program. Using that, our relationship, symptom tracking and everything, we finally come to the discussion part wherein we are having a consultation between yourself and Dr. Preeti, which is 1:1. वो consultation में will be guiding upon what you need to do in the next 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, or a year. What medicines you need to stop, what supplementations are required or advised, etc. जिससे कि आप अपनी condition से बाहर आ सको. So that is the entire program for you. So these are the 4 weeks that we have talked about, topped up with an individual consultation. The cost of the program is $10,000, but it is discounted further for webinar attendees. Webinar attendees के लिए the cost of the program is going to be only 7,000 rupees. There is an early bird offer. If you are able to make the payment by noon tomorrow, then the cost of the program is going to be only 6,500 rupees. So basically a 35% Christmas discount. तो ये discount है. आप इस discount को कैसे avail कर सकते हो? ये प्रोग्राम का लिंक है. इस लिंक पे जाके we'll share all of this with you. We'll share the link with you. You can go ahead and book on the website itself. वेबसाइट पे आप बुक कर सकते हो, या फिर you can go ahead and make payments through all kinds of methodology. Google Pay पे आप पे कर सकते हो. The number would be 9717 333 655. All of these details would be shared in the group chat. तो वहां से आप Google Pay पे, Paytm पे, any kind of e-wallet you can make the transfer. You can choose to do this through a bank account or a Razorpay link, credit card, debit card के through भी कर सकते हो, or you can simply, this is the reason why the screen is there in front of you, आप simply scan कर सकते हो and you can go ahead and make the payment. Now, before you do that, or if you have already decided and understood you need to do this, तो आप करिए. बट सारे सवालों के जवाब हम लोगों को मिलने वाले हैं. बहुत सारे सवाल हमारे पास आ चुके हैं, तो आई वुड कंसंट्रेट टुवर्ड्स दोज क्वेश्चंस. आप लोगों की चैट में, जस्ट गिव मी अ सेकंड, वेयर डज द चैट गो? ओके, all right. Yeah, I lost the chat somehow. So Manideep ma'am has been asking time and again about gallbladder stones.
Right. So gallbladder stones, Manideep, again is a sign of leaky gut. Right. The bile becomes is not fluent enough to flow properly, and therefore you will have to look at leaky gut mein kya ho raha hai. You have to increase fiber in your diet. You have to make sure that you take enough vitamin C, vitamin E, and omega 3s in your diet. And gallbladder stones can be reversed easily. That's not a problem.
आप लोगों
Right, Mandeep?
आप लोगों के साथ में मैंने एक छोटा सा पोल शुरू किया है. So I would request everyone to answer to that poll so that we know if we want to reach out to you. Those of you are having any questions, किसी भी तरह के questions हैं, तो सबसे request ये है कि आप अपने numbers share करिए. You can share your numbers with us so that we can, the team can reach out to you and they can assist you and guide you in what you need to do and so on. Meanwhile, I'm also sharing my number. My name is Ayush. So my number is shared. You can reach out to me directly as well. Those of you again would want to have a discussion, etc. आप numbers please share करिए. Ma'am, Sanchita is talking about hypothyroidism.
Yes, Sanchita, anything in hypothyroidism which you can elaborate? What is it that you want to know? Can we unmute Ayush, Sanchita?
Yeah, people can unmute themselves. वो mute का option. Yeah, you can unmute yourself and ask directly.
Yes, Sanchita.
Yeah, so I just wanted to know that, how do we increase the metabolism in case of hypothyroid?
So we have to increase the levels of T3, which means we have to make our thyroid work better. So quitting gluten has shown to help a lot of hypothyroid patients. So this program actually, if you follow elimination diet for 3 weeks, I'm very confident your metabolism will improve and you will feel more energetic.
Actually, specifically on metabolism, I think there is a point in highlighting a lot of experiences जो हमने testimonials के through videos में share किए थे initially, ma'am.
Right. So yes, so energy definitely increases, and in hypothyroidism, when we avoid gluten and peanuts, what happens is the conversion of T4 to T3 improves, and that improves our metabolism and energy levels. Sanchita, does this answer your question, or you want to ask something more?
Yes, actually what I was wondering is that, I'm already on a gluten-free and a lactose-free diet.
Okay.
Right. It's been almost 2.5 years now. So, weight management and metabolism has always been a cause of concern.
No. So then you will have to figure out what is the reason. Is your insulin all right? Is your cortisol all right? Also, when you are hypothyroid, you must avoid walnuts and peanuts.
Yeah, I normally don't have peanuts and soy products. So that's what I was just wondering. What else then?
No, insulin and cortisol.
Okay. What are the ways to measure the cortisol and insulin?
Blood sample.
Okay.
You can do cortisol at 8 a.m., cortisol at 4 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
And you can do fasting insulin and PP insulin.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. So I need to check those.
Something will be messed if, yes. And then see, because if the triad is working fine, then you generally don't gain weight.
Okay.
Right?
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
So, doctor, one question.
Okay. Yes.
So, are you sure the asthma can be cured permanently? Because a lot of doctors keep saying that, it's not once in the system, then it remains in the life for the lifetime.
So when you say cured forever, what do you mean?
So shouldn't, so I've got wheezing problems happen because of allergy, right? And I take inhaler. A doctor suggested me to take, 1 dose of inhaler every day, for the rest of the life. And the only reason I'm attending this meeting is I want to get rid of this thing, right?
Right.
But allopathic doctors keep saying that it's it's a lifetime disease. So are you sure your program will be able to cure it for good, or is it something which, because I tell you, homeopathic, I've taken homeopathic medicine also in between. It worked fine for 4-5 months, but then it's back to the square one.
So, see, to answer your question, I can tell you I don't take inhalers anymore, but I won't say I'm free of asthma. If I stop taking care of myself, I might have asthmatic attack again. But for last 5 years, I have not used an inhaler. That's one. Second is, what we are saying in this program is find out the cause. We are not going to treat your asthma, no. We are going to help you find out आपको किसी फूड से एलर्जी तो नहीं है, आपका लीकी गट तो नहीं है. If you have any of these, we will tell you how to cure it or how to work on it. 1 महीने में सब ठीक नहीं हो जाएगा, but you will be one step ahead of where you are today in terms of your asthma problem.
So,
right? हाँ. But 70% asthma cases में कोई ना कोई food allergies reason होता है.
Madam, it's regarding the autoimmune condition.
Yes, Lakshmi.
So it's for my daughter. Started when she was 18. So we had so the doctor had found HLB positive. HLB positive.
Okay, right.
So one diagnosis was that it is ankylosing, and now the latest diagnosis is that she has cirrhotic arthritis.
Right. And have you ever done elimination diet with her?
Not systematically.
Please do it. Please do it. Autoimmune conditions, doing this systematically is non-negotiable. करना ही है, सोचना नहीं है. उसको systematically इसको करना है. Then after a month I will tell you और क्या कर सकती है वो.
Because she dances and physically she's fit, but then the pain comes like.
Right. Yeah. No. This she has to do first. पहले ये करना है, उसके बाद ही कुछ और होगा. अगर उसको हील करना अपने आप को तो है ना, कि उसको पेन के एपिसोड्स ना आए, तो ये पहले 110% करना है, इससे पहले कुछ भी और नहीं करना. ठीक है लक्ष्मी जी?
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yes.
So, ma'am, I'll just pick up few questions. People are talking about Hashimoto's.
This program helps amazingly in Hashimoto's. Hashimoto's में आपका immune system misfire कर रहा होता है, तो ये प्रोग्राम उसको थोड़ा सा सेटल करा देता है.
Right. So Devashish is asking about Parkinson's and atrial fibrillation. So yes, it can help in atrial fibrillation and Parkinson's, but it is not a must वाली बात है. जैसे autoimmune में, irritable bowel syndrome में, Hashimoto's में तो करना ही चाहिए. Parkinson's में आपको करके देखना पड़ेगा आपको कितना बेनिफिट हो रहा है. ठीक है? So Khushbu is following a gluten-free diet from 6 months and 2 years dairy-free, but not able to cure IBS.
So if you remember, Ayush, आपने शुरू में एक IBS का टेस्टिमोनियल दिखाया था.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you remember, उनका भी वर्कशॉप में, वेबिनार में यही सवाल था पहले कि मैं तो ग्लूटेन और डेयरी फ्री 2-3 साल से हूँ. Right? The only thing she had not done was उसने दूध की चाय नहीं छोड़ी थी, जो हमारे प्रोग्राम में छोड़ दिया, और उसका IBS सेट हो गया. Of course कुछ और भी हुआ होगा, So
there were some veggies that she discovered.
right, exactly. So खुशबू, my point is, अगर आपने किसी की गाइडेंस के अंडर नहीं किया है तो आप इसको एक बार और ट्राई करो, बिकॉज आईबीएस में इस चीज को ठीक से करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. राइट, सो डू ट्राई दैट. What about osteoarthritis? Is it cause of leaky gut? Can elimination diet help here? So in osteoarthritis, elimination diet can help, but you will have to do few other things also in addition to elimination diet, which I will tell you in our one-to-one consultation at the end of the 3 weeks.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hanji.
Is there any treatment for GERD?
Oh, definitely. You do this diet. Most probably, this diet program will help you with your GERD problem.
Achha. And is there any treatment for tinnitus?
Tinnitus, it depends what is the cause, when did it start.
Okay.
I can't be very sure about it.
Okay.
ठीक है, वो कॉज पे डिपेंड करता है. स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी एंड ओसीडी में प्लीज आप ये डाइट प्लान करो. ये डाइट प्लान बहुत 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 हेल्प कर सकता है आपको. Height since 10 months, yes, it will help you, Nirmala ji. You must join this program.
So there is something we must address, I think. Ms. Jilani, she says that some therapists have suggested.
I was about to answer that only, Ayush. Thank you. So, Miss Jilani ji, ये डाइट प्रोग्राम अगर आपको ऑटो इम्यून डिजीज है तो आपको 100% हेल्प करेगा. 100% हेल्प करेगा आपको. हाँ जी. Yes, somebody.
Yes, doctor and Seema.
Yeah,
my daughter, she is having a kind of acid reflux, which is last 3.5 and 4 years. She is, facing that problem, and she is a professional singer. And what happens is that acid, according to the doctors, the acid is coming up and it is coming into the throat, and then she has to always clear her throat. Now, the doctor said that it is laryngopharyngeal reflux.
Have you ever done elimination diet for her, Seema?
Actually, doctor, no, she is right now. I have kept her on raw diet.
Mm-hmm. No.
Not elimination diet exactly, but she does a raw diet.
No, don't do raw diet for her.
Yeah.
It will not help her.
It will not help her.
No. Do elimination diet for her.
डॉक्टर क्या है ना, अभी तक उसका वो कारण समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
एलिमिनेशन डाइट कारण के लिए ही पता करनी है.
ओके.
दिस डाइट, एज आई टोल्ड यू, यू हैव टू फाइंड द डेड रैट. डेड रैट वो होता है जो आपको तकलीफ दे रहा होता है ना, स्मेल कर रहा है आपके घर में.
विल दिस हेल्प?
ओह, डेफिनेटली दिस विल हेल्प.
ये 4 साल से जो प्रॉब्लम,
हाँ, इतना गर्ड हो रहा है, कोई ना कोई फूड तो दिक्कत दे ही रहा है उसको.
और इनफैक्ट डॉक्टर, उसने ना चाय, कॉफी, स्पाइसी फूड, ऑयली सब छोड़ दिया है.
हम क्या करते हैं, हाँ, हम सब छोड़ देते हैं, तरीके से नहीं छोड़ते हैं. उसको बोलो ये करे.
अच्छा, ओके.
अगर उसको 3 हफ्ते बाद कुछ नहीं हुआ, फिर हम सोल्यूशन निकाल लेंगे. पर अगर ये प्रॉब्लम हुई तो कुछ भी करेंगे कोई फायदा नहीं होगा.
और क्या मैं सोच रही थी कि किसी ओटोलैरिंगोलॉजिस्ट को बताऊं. अभी तक मैंने वो सोचा नहीं है.
अभी आप इसको करो, वहां पे आपको वही जवाब मिलेगा जो आपको अभी तक मिलता आ रहा है.
ओके.
आप इसको पहले एलिमिनेशन डाइट कराओ, उसके बाद मेरे साथ एक कंसल्टेशन होगी, उसमें मैं आपको एग्जैक्टली बता दूंगी आपको क्या करना है, किसको मिलना है, कहाँ जाना है, व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. द ओनली थिंग यू हैव टू डू इज 1 महीना पेशेंस रखो
जी, और
एलिमिनेशन डाइट करके पहले ये रूल आउट कर लो कि उसको कोई फूड से तो दिक्कत नहीं हो रही है.
ओके. ओके
मैम, I'll just pick up a few questions from chat, नहीं तो रह जाएगा.
Yes.
GBS, will it help?
GBS, what is GBS?
Guillain-Barré syndrome.
Huh?
GBS, Guillain-Barré syndrome.
Guillain-Barré syndrome.
Oh, Guillain-Barré syndrome. Yes, it can help. It can help. It can help. माइग्रेन में इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प. प्लीज ज्वाइन कर लो यार, माइग्रेन जिंदगी खराब करती है बिल्कुल. क्रोनिक एलर्जीज लाइक स्नीजिंग, Suman has asked this. Yes, Suman, this program will help. अगर आपको chronic allergies हैं तो food definitely उसमें reason होता है. Fatigue, anemic, bronchial asthma. This program will help you. Sijini Karan, it will definitely help you.
Osteoarthritis, is it because of leaky gut? Will elimination diet help?
The elimination diet will help in osteoarthritis. It is not only because of leaky gut, it is because of degenerative issues also. Do this and then we will give you some exercises to do and you will feel much better.
Numbness in hands, fingers and legs, cramps.
Oh, it will definitely help such people. Ayush, Monica ने question पूछा है OCD का. OCD में this diet will help you tremendously. Please try it out if you have not tried it till now. वैभव GBS, it will help. अनामिका stress anxiety में बहुत help करेगी ये diet आपको.
Then Anamika, yeah, stress, anxiety, OCD, you have tackled. So Rashmita Das, she has asked about liver cirrhosis.
Right. So liver cirrhosis में there is a different diet. ठीक है. And we will need some more history also to work on it.
But should she be joining this program? Can we help her?
She will feel lighter, she will feel better. But उसके beyond कितना होगा, we can't commit.
Right.
है ना, फेज कौन सा है, कितना कॉम्प्लिकेशन है, रीजन क्या है.
Rashmita, if you can talk directly, आप अपने सवाल.
Just Tanya, knee joint pain में this will help you amazingly.
Right. So.
Hello.
Yes.
Are you available for online consultation?
Yes.
Will you give your details in the WhatsApp group?
I think Ayush can share that with you. Ayush शुभा है ये.
जी.
ना, आप इनके साथ शेयर कर लीजिएगा.
ठीक है.
है ना. रचना पूछ रही है एक्जिमा का. आयुष, मैं ना क्विकली जो चैट में क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको स्क्रॉल कर ले रही हूँ.
जी.
ऊपर से. तो रचना, एक्जिमा में दिस डाइट विल हेल्प, क्योंकि एक्जिमा में कोई ना कोई फूड एलर्जी जरूर काम कर रही होती है पीछे. ठीक है. Consultation is a part of the program. Yes. Okay. If one is already on statins and thyroid, you can stop those if your levels come back to normal. Like I told you, that girl, that lady, she stopped her statin now from today. Right? So you can stop that. That's not a problem. What is the difference between a naturopath and a functional doctor? See, a functional doctor works on the functioning of your body, and as I said, works on the cause of the disease, but with all tests with them to support what they are doing. Right? Naturopath will give you something just with the premise that it's there. But in functional medicine, we will do all your testing. We will show you where the problem is. And then we will help you overcome that problem and feel healthy. We generally work on the cause of the disease and not on the symptoms. So we will keep finding the cause till we are there where we have to be. Right? Yes.
Doctor, one quick question.
Yeah.
You think one week is enough to identify the cause of the allergy?
No. This program is for 1 month.
But I thought the first week is we identify the problem, right?
No. For first 3 weeks, we follow the elimination diet.
Oh, okay.
We give you more and more information every week so that you feel more convinced about what you are doing. 3 weeks, your stomach becomes very clean, empty. And then when you introduce foods, we get to know whether you have leaky gut, whether you have any food allergies, whether you have any such problem, which you should attend to.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Hanji.
Madam, are you giving Ayurvedic medicine or allopathy medicine?
No, I don't give any medicines. In this program, we only give diet. But after that, we do supplements.
Which medicine only?
Only supplements like magnesium, like iron, like B12, all that stuff.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Ma'am.
only diet. Yes, diet and stress management.
Ma'am, is the elimination diet is common for everyone? I mean, everyone has to be eliminate the same kind of diet, or it's customized?
No, everybody has to do the same, but later on, people themselves customize. किन्हीं को उनसे सिम्टम्स नहीं जाते हैं तो उनके 2 और फूड्स हमको हटाने पड़ जाते हैं, किन्हीं के चले जाते हैं तो उनके हमें नहीं हटाने पड़ते हैं. But to start with, it is the same. We start by eliminating most common foods which cause allergy.
Dairy free means no curd, no ghee, nothing.
No curd, no ghee. No, ghee is allowed.
Okay.
Curd we stop in between and then we introduce for some people depending on how they are feeling.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
But it's very easy to do. Now, a lot of people have done it. Nobody complains that they were not able to do it. Right, Ayush?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Right. Yeah.
So, dairy-free means milk, paneer, curd, and chaas. Anything else?
No. Yes, it means only this. So Sanjay Gangwar is saying, my son is 14 years old. He's very weak. Recently, his CRP is increased. Yes, Sanjay, it is related to leaky gut. It can be. Either I will have to see all the reports. CRP is high. How much high? If it is more than 10, then means there's some infection. We'll have to give him antibiotics and see that that's taken care of. But you can share your son's reports and I'll be happy to help.
Madam, what about rheumatic arthritis?
Rheumatoid arthritis, you must do this diet. आपको बहुत हेल्प करेगी ये डाइट, बहुत ज्यादा हेल्प करेगी.
Which affects my kidney also.
It can help in hair fall also.
Okay.
Yeah. Abhinav, I am not getting your question. Migraine, medical tab, supplies. If you can unmute yourself and ask me, what do you want to ask?
Basically, he's asked put in a bunch of words previously. I think he's asking, is there a medicine or a specific diet plan for migraine?
So for migraine, this diet plan really helps. It really helps.
Doctor, can I ask a question, please? I am Nirmala.
Hi, Nirmala. Please पूछिए.
Hi. मुझे 10 महीने से ये हाइव्स हैं और मैंने 3-4 महीने तो ये gluten, dairy सब बंद कर दिया है, but still I have so much itching, and so you think that still this one will help soon?
This should help.
Because I'm fed up. It's 10 months and it's severe. In the nights I can't sleep.
So Nirmala ji, this should help. अगर ये नहीं help करेगा तो फिर हमें ये पता चल जाएगा कि आपको कोई फंगल इन्फेक्शन या पैरासिटिक इन्फेक्शन है, तो हम आपको उसके लिए ट्रीट कर देंगे, आपको ठीक पक्का कर देंगे. आप थोड़ी सी पेशेंस रख के पहले इस डाइट को एक तरीके से करके देखिए. अदरवाइज ना बाकी सारा एफर्ट हमारा वेस्ट हो जाता है अगर ये नहीं की होती है तो.
Okay. Thank you.
So,
It will help with psoriatic arthritis. Psoriatic arthritis जिनको भी है, प्लीज करना चाहिए, बहुत हेल्प करेगा. लैक्टोज फ्री मिल्क की जगह हम रिकमेंड करते हैं आलमंड मिल्क या कोकोनट मिल्क यूज करना. Because getting good lactose free milk is also not possible in India. उसमें बहुत सारे एडिटर्स, प्रिजर्वेटिव्स वगैरह लगे हुए होते हैं. Yes, Ayush, you were saying something.
No, I was taking the same question you're taking.
Acha, thank you.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am. Do you also suggest substitutes for gluten-free food? Because more than 50% of my diet comes from gluten products like wheat,
Yes,
rava,
we suggest you supplements and we suggest you alternatives and we give you recipes, and people keep sharing what they are eating, so you have a ready menu for the next day. You don't have to worry about it when you are on this program.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Very few of you have voted so far. Only 30-35% of you have voted. तो आप प्लीज पोल्स आपके पास में हैं, प्लीज एक्सेस योर राइट टू वोट. आप वोट करेंगे तभी हमें पता चलेगा. दोज ऑफ यू who want us to reach out to you, जिनके मन में कुछ questions doubts अभी हों, तो वो आप अपना नंबर शेयर करिए. प्लीज शेयर योर फोन नंबर्स with us so that we can reach out to you. I have very few phone numbers so far. So please share your phone numbers so that we can reach out to you. Those of you who want to discuss specifically in person before they take a call, I am sharing my number with you. My name is Ayush and my number is 9717 333 655. I'm sharing this with everyone. आप मेरे साथ अपना नंबर शेयर करिए. A lot of you might be having privacy concerns. तो जो लोग अपना नंबर पब्लिक में नहीं शेयर करना चाहते हैं, वो प्राइवेटली मुझे चैट में डाल सकते हैं. All you have to do is double click on the name Yellow Squash, और वहां पे आप अपना नंबर शेयर कर सकते हो. No problem. Will it help in overactive bladder and urinary incontinence?
नहीं. No. Are you overweight?
Devashish, are you overweight? You can unmute yourself and ask your question directly. सभी लोग unmute कर लो आप लोग और अपना question पूछ सकते हो.
Hello, ma'am. It is regarding my mom, 70 plus mom. She's not really overweight, but she's been having these problems for a few years now.
हाँ, so ये हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस है. अगर आप उनके हार्मोन्स ठीक करा के वो करेक्ट करोगे ना, that will help her more.
Ayush, please, can you repeat your number, please?
So it is 9717 333 655.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Neha, you can unmute yourself and ask your question directly. All right. Psoriatic arthritis, ma'am.
Must go, definitely. See, psoriatic arthritis, you have to follow this diet for some time. So do join this program and learn how to follow it properly.
So there is, Ms. Karan has asked, do lactose-free milk help?
I have answered that. I don't generally promote lactose-free in India. We generally say switch on to coconut milk or almond milk because of the preservatives in that milk, lactose-free milk, which is right now available in Indian market.
Okay, so Rashmita, I'll just elaborate on her cirrhosis wala question. So she thinks that she is left with 25% of her liver. So is revival at all possible? I mean, beyond the program.
Yes, definitely. Start with this diet plan and then we can work forward to help you revive your liver.
So Rashmita, we can definitely help. This is the starting point though. एक महीने में कोई 25% का 100% नहीं होने वाला है. But this is the step in the right direction.
Yes.
Somebody was asking about what about AR?
What about?
AR. RA I understand, but the person wrote AR. Unni Krishnan.
AF नहीं है.
AS नहीं. So, Unni Krishnan, you can unmute and ask your question.
Yes,
food allergy. Gautam is talking about food allergies.
You must do this program if you think or suspect that if you have any allergies.
So he has food allergies and RA actually.
Please do this program. It will help you with both the conditions. Okay, this program also helps in increasing your immunity. Somebody, I think, had asked in between COVID.
Yes, there was a person suffering from COVID.
Yes, so please, so this is a great program to increase your immunity.
Right, I want to ask a question, please.
Yes.
Hi, my name is Kapil. I was initially, I would say about 9 to 10 years back, diagnosed. Well, I did my self-diagnosis and I thought it was IBS. I joined the Facebook group for IBS and I've been on that since. I got many tests done. I've been to literally all the doctors, gastros available in Delhi and sometimes even beyond the state, but to no avail till now. Then I have, and then I was again diagnosed further and was diagnosed as having pelvic floor dyssynergia.
Okay.
there is only one physiotherapist available in Delhi. Her name's Dr. Rebecca. And she ruled out the possibility of me having that, the pelvic floor dyssynergia. So I gave up on that too, and I just stuck with what was being told to me after that. She asked me to go on a diet plan, which I did with a certain dietitian called Vartika Singhal. I did that for 2 months, but it did not make a massive difference in my life. She put me on a food map diet, but there's only so far that it worked for me. And then I've been doing a self-diagnosis, going from one medicine to the other, ordering from overseas medicines like Digestic, for my, especially for my incomplete evacuation. The only positive thing that happened in the 9 years that I can think of is I got myself a work from home opportunity, which is actually a night shift now. And now things have reversed. So I have been, since the time I had this onset of IBS, I had also got a lot of anxiety issues happening, which were related to my gut or could have been something else as well. I'm not really sure what it was. And I've been, consulting a psychiatrist for that, who's been taking care of me by giving me medicines, alternating them from time to time. But, my anxiety has lessened. But if you put me in a difficult situation outside right now, because I'm only restricted to 24 hours to my 4 walls, basically, because
Kapil, thanks for sharing this. I understand. Have you ever got your hormones checked, and have you ever got your oxidative acid test done?
Those two things don't sound familiar as things that I've got done yet.
Perfect. So Kapil, what I will say, I will really love to help you because I work on very complicated gut health cases. If you can reach out to Ayush and take my number and book one consultation with me.
I will do that.
All your reports.
To message me, perhaps.
So you will have to get in touch with Ayush, Kapil.
Ayush.
And yes, from Yellow Squash, he will connect you with me.
For him in the group, right?
Right. And we can take it forward from there. I think some work needs to be done with you, and it has to be done in a way that we get to know what the problem is.
Sure. I totally agree with that. I can join myself for at least one consultation and see what you have to say about my whole situation.
Exactly.
Out as to what my present circumstances are.
Yes. And if you can do that before the 1st, then we will know whether this diet plan will help you or not.
Why is that?
So
because
you'll be able to join the program then.
Yeah, because if you will have to join the group program, then the program starts from 1st.
Oh, I understand. So I'll reach out to him today itself.
Right.
So I shared my number in the group chat, Kapil. My name is Ayush.
I think you did give me a call, right, the other day?
Yeah, I did. So I do have your number as well.
Yeah, if you can give me a call back, please, and then we can talk about it.
Yeah, sure. All right. Thanks, Kapil.
Bappi Paul.
Yeah, please go ahead. Others?
This program will really help you, Bappi. Please join this program. Acidity, constipation, bloating. You will be better than what you are now. And then we will have to see what more we can do with it.
Rekha, Jaju, do you want to share? You have a question, ma'am?
Hello.
Hello.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. मुझे एक्चुअली पहले एंजाइटी की प्रॉब्लम थी और फिर अब मुझे एलर्जी बहुत होती है, नाक बंद हो जाता है, राइट साइड का नोज मेरा ब्लॉक रहता है।
आपको ये प्लान हेल्प कर देगा।
हो रही है, तो इसके लिए मैं
आपको ये प्लान हेल्प करेगा मैम, आप ज्वाइन करिए प्लीज।
ओके ओके, सबसे पहले मुझे क्या छोड़ना रहेगा?
हम आपको बताएंगे 1st को, तब तक आप न्यू ईयर सेलिब्रेट करिए।
ओके ओके,
thank you. See you in the group on 1st. Yes.
So I see on your website you have got B5 program, B4 program. What's
B5 is the one we are talking about. So which is batch 5 basically. So the most recent batch.
Hello.
Hello.
Madam, I am feeling
Your voice is very feeble, Unni Krishnan. So if you can be closer to the mic, please.
sir, rheumatic arthritis.
रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस में सर आपको ये डाइट बहुत हेल्प करेगी. ये डाइट बेसलाइन है ट्रीटमेंट की. मेरे पास रूमेटॉइड आर्थराइटिस का कोई पेशेंट आता है तो आई डोंट ट्रीट टिल आई हैव taught that patient to be on this diet. Because when you are on this diet and if you have rheumatoid arthritis, your medicines can be reduced to half, your pain decreases, you feel more active, and it becomes much easier to manage your disease.
Okay. So there are 3 people who have their hands raised: Sitaram, Kakashan, and Mr. Gautam Raval. If you have questions, please. Monica as well. You can unmute yourself and ask your questions, please. Mr. Unni Krishnan, do you have a question in continuity? All right. I think somebody was asking a question. Ma'am, please go ahead.
Yeah, this is regarding chronic allergy, that is sneezing, and it continues for the whole day till evening unless I take a Havil 25 anti-allergy tablet. Okay, I've been on medication, homeopathic medication for nearly 5 to 6 months, but nothing has improved. And after the lockdown, every week, at least once a week, I'm getting this allergy. I mean, the whole day is gone. Okay, so this is really frustrating and nothing is helping out.
Right. So, Suman, most of the times, in such cases, we are allergic to some food or dust. This program at least helps us find out whether we are allergic to some food or not. Maybe some spice.
Yeah,
right?
this happens like once I enter the kitchen, okay, some seasoning and some frying of onions or garlic, and immediately after I come out, it starts and it continues.
Right.
Till
So this program can help you, Suman. You must give it a try.
Okay.
Because I can understand sneezing the whole day. It's one, very scary. You are scared kab sneezing shuru ho jayegi, so you avoid a lot of places, lot of things. And second is somewhere you have to find the cause. And this can be the start of your journey to finding the cause.
Okay.
So doctor, what is the cause is dust allergy? There is no way we can eliminate that, right? So how will your program help in that case?
So majorly first the cause is food allergy. Even if it is dust allergy, which is causing leaky gut, when we avoid foods which irritate the gut, the symptoms decrease. Right? And then we will have to, once we know that it is dust, symptoms come okay, then we work on healing your gut. Once your gut gets healed, then a little bit of dust doesn't create any problem for you.
Okay. So this is something to do with some things in the kitchen. Okay. So
Could be. So let's avoid those foods and let's see what we can do.
Okay.
See, basically, cut the long story short, because we eliminate all the things that can irritate any kind of a gut, human gut, especially Indians, और एक एक करके introduce करते हैं. What happens during the program is that you learn yourself, your body learns, and we learn, of course, that exactly which kind of food is giving you any kind of trouble. And you learn this with this process. तो वो experimentations आप खुद continue भी कर पाते हो. And you become much more aware. So one consistent thing which people have told us, apart from energy levels बढ़ना, overall अच्छा feel करना, hormones के balance में आना, allergy levels कम हो जाना, IBS के patients का cure हो जाना within the program itself. Apart from all of these things, and including weight loss and weight management and all of that, primarily it has been that they have become much more aware of how the environment is, how the food is acting with their body. तो वो जो चीज हो पाती है उससे आप काफी चीजें लर्न कर पाते हो ओवर अ पीरियड. सो विच इज व्हाई मैम इज एम्फसाइजिंग अगेन एंड अगेन, दिस इज द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ योर जर्नी टुवर्ड्स डिस्कवरी एंड सेल्फ क्योर. बट दिस इज एसेंशियल. जब तक ये नहीं होगा तो हमें रास्ता दिखेगा नहीं.
थैंक यू आयुष. ऑल्सो जब तक ये नहीं होगा तब तक और मेडिसिन खाते रहने का भी फायदा नहीं है.
Exactly.
This is the baseline to live a healthy life. So it is very important that we go through this journey before we do anything else to take care of our health.
All right. So any other questions? You can unmute yourself and ask your question directly, please. Kana Kashan and Gautam Rawal, aapke hands are raised. So if you have a question, you can unmute and ask.
So doctor, one more question from my side. So you think asthma is also because of the gut issues?
Oh, definitely. There are a lot of studies to say that, Vaibhav.
So what is gut problem? How do I identify that I've got a gut problem? Asthma is offset, or I mean, what are the symptoms of a gut problem?
So could be anything, your allergies, your constipation.
See, that's what the entire webinar was all
about.
Yes,
so anything can indicate that you have a leaky gut. And that further leads to more and more problems.
Just to explain what ma'am said, starting from digestive disorders to allergies to hormonal imbalances to autoimmune conditions, their multiplicity, and even giving birth to some kind of cancers. So ये सारी चीजें इसका symptom हो सकती हैं. So the idea is to nip it in the bud. If you're feeling uneasy while you are in a certain environment, taking some food, unexplained reasons की वजह से, if you have pain here and there, some kind of an allergy, some kind of an acidity, unease in the stomach and this and that, that is an indication, clear indication of gut issues.
And Vaibhav, asthma is the imbalance of your TH1 and TH17 immunity. Now that further happens because of gut issues. So if we work on gut, we definitely decrease the intensity of asthma. And then if you continue working on it, then there are chances that, like me, you also might not need an inhaler for many, many years in future.
Miss Sijni has asked, she has fatigue, she's anemic, bronchial asthma, joint and pains, and recurring UTI.
She must join this program for all the symptoms she has, because I can see she will definitely benefit by eliminating some foods.
So Anamika is asking if she would have to eliminate curd as well.
Depends, Anamika. When we will start, we will let you know. But what I can tell you is that nobody finds it a problem, to avoid foods and to introduce new foods. वो ग्रुप का एनर्जी इतना एडिक्टिव होता है कि आपकी सारी एडिक्शंस अल्कोहल वगैरह की खत्म हो जाती हैं और फूड अवॉइड करने आपको बिल्कुल दिक्कत नहीं लगते हैं.
Right? Alcoholics have been able to leave alcohol, तो फिर दही छूट सकता है अगर जरूरत पड़ी तो. But not everyone has to leave curds, for example. It's basically your individual condition. So it may not be. Anybody else? Any other questions? I'll just take one or two questions which are there.
So Jhantu Malik is asking gut health to revive कैसे करें? So basically gut health को revive करने के लिए, Jhantu ji, the first thing you have to do is do this elimination diet, clean up your gut, and then we will do other things. Bala, if you are not able to eliminate milk, coffee, it is okay. You can continue taking 1 cup and see in the course of 3 weeks कब आप बंद करते हो. Lot of my patients continue taking 1 or 2 cups of tea or coffee, which is fine, and then find that no, we will not take it, and they don't take it. So which is okay. That is not something which should hinder you or stop you from joining this program.
So some questions from Facebook, ma'am.
Yes.
So Soumya has been doing 1 meal of a grain a day since 2 months. Still as her weight is increasing.
That doesn't make any sense. She has to actually do elimination diet properly to understand food में तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. Otherwise, then we will do her hormones and help her out.
Right. Again, so Suman Mascarenas, I think she's here as well. Hypothyroid, he is under medication since last 7 years. Do you want to add to the answer, because we have already covered this?
No, but for hypothyroid, this program is a very, very effective program. You must try this out. A lot of patients have benefited from this program, so I will strongly advocate you doing this program.
Right. Gautam Rawal, diabetes.
Diabetes reversal. Oh, acha. Diabetes reversal is definitely possible, friends. And this program will help you get your sugar levels at least down by 40-50 points in 3 weeks. And that's a good motivation for you to do this program. Right? Roti made from wheat is a part of elimination diet. Yes, but you have 10, 12 other types of rotis which you can eat. No wheat allowed. Yes, diabetics will benefit from this program. I promise that to you. We will not be checking your sugar levels. We will check it on the first day and the last day. But you will benefit, that I can promise.
Allergic rhinitis and Hashimoto's.
Bilkul, bilkul. Please go ahead and join this program in both allergic rhinitis and Hashimoto's. It will help.
So, Beena ji, this is your question I picked up since you are here. Gut health, reducing tummy.
Yes.
Would it help in reduction?
Of course, of course, of course.
So,
Can I ask a question?
yeah, please go ahead, ma'am. We have been requesting.
Dates can be used during the elimination diet?
Yes and no, both. Once you will, attend the first class, you will yourself let me know whether you want to use it or not. Right?
A person has asked about she's currently high levels of depression.
Please do this program. It will help your mood come up. You will be a happier person.
Right. So all millets can be used. ठीक है.
Perfect.
So I think we have covered most of our questions, all of our questions, I suppose. In fact, किसी का कोई सवाल रहता है तो please, we are wrapping up the session. You can mute yourself one last time and ask your questions before we.
Ayush, what time can I speak to you? If
Come again?
What time can I speak to you?
After this program, you can call me immediately after 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Perfect. So Ayush, I will leave now. I think all questions are done. Why oranges are not allowed? Because oranges have been found to be one of the most foods which cause a lot of allergy to people.
Just one last thing, since the person in stress is a cause of leaky gut. So how do I overcome? Sir, program join करिए. हम आपको सारी बातें बता चुके हैं.
So what is stress? Stress is response to that situation, right? Yeah. So Ayush ने बिल्कुल ठीक बोला है. In the program, we will tell you how to manage stress. And you will come out as a happier person. That is what I can promise, seeing all my other participants.
Right? Karima, don't worry, you'll get a recording. Plus, I'll share my number. Anybody, one last thing before we leave. I'll share my number. You can reach out to me directly and you can, Thanks, Deepali. And we would love to have you in our session starting 1st of January. Just to give you the details of how we are going to begin. So it's going to be a month-long program starting 1st of Jan, which is a Friday, 7 p.m. And there would be 4 sessions. We'll start slow. आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि पहली जनवरी से बोला जाएगा आप पार्टी करके आए हो और सीधे elimination diet. No, we are going to give you a couple of days to settle down. And after that, we'll start on elimination diet, week long. We'll start with something which is fairly common for everyone. As and when आपके symptoms पता चलते जाते हैं, वो चीजें personalized होती जाती है. By the end of the week, you are onto a personalized elimination diet. Week 2 is about gut healing. So वहाँ पर we would be adding a few more foods. There might be, in some case, some prebiotics, probiotics, or even supplementations. Just to aid or accelerate your gut healing process. Week 3 would be affirmations, would be group therapy, would be some breathing exercises and so on to accelerate your gut healing process by helping you in your mental health. Week 4 would be reintroduction, जो हटाया है दोबारा आएगा. We'll make a comparison. The entire 1 month long process is a diagnostic process. उससे आपको रूट कॉजेज पता चलेंगी और अपने क्योर की तरफ कैसे जाना है वो रास्ता ढूंढने में आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. सो बेसिकली डायरेक्टली आंसरिंग टू यू कपिल एंड मेनी अदर्स हु हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड ये प्रॉब्लम हो क्यों रही है उन्हें. तो इसके सिवा कोई और तरीका नहीं है. कितने भी टेस्ट करा लीजिए, कितने सुपर स्पेशलिस्ट के पास में चले जाइए, ultimately they are would not be able to find out because gut is something which is very dynamic. Every hour, every day it would change and it will give you a different result. तो इस वजह से ये जरूरी है कि एक अच्छे फंक्शनल डॉक्टर की प्रेजेंस में, उनकी गाइडेंस में आप एक एलिमिनेशन डाइट करें और एक प्रोसेस के थ्रू अपने रूट कॉज को समझने की कोशिश करें, so that you can reverse your conditions irrespective of how old they are. What conditions we can help you with? All kind of digestive disorders, gut health issues, all kinds of allergies, all kinds of hormonal imbalances, including diabetes and thyroid and hypothyroid and Hashimoto's and all of that, and all kinds of autoimmune conditions. Hashimoto's usi mein hi aa gaya, but rheumatoid arthritis, psoriasis, lupus, all of these kind of situations we can help you with. How we can help? Either we can help you solve it, resolve it completely, or else we can help you define a path towards cure. Isliye we have a consultation towards the end so that we have enough information and we can provide you a clear guidance. तो ये सारी चीजों के लिए इस तरह से करते हैं. Throughout the process we are going to have symptom tracking ताकि आप खुद ट्रांसपेरेंटली समझ पाओ कि आपको पूरी चीज से कितनी हेल्प मिल रही है या कितना नेगेटिव भी हो रहा है. नेगेटिव इज आल्सो अ पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर अस. इफ योर एसिड रिफ्लक्स इंक्रीजेस फॉर एग्जांपल, we would know a little better why and how and what not and we can change. तो वो सारी चीजें अच्छी हैं हमारे लिए. तो we would love to have you all of you. करीब 50 लोग हैं अभी सेशन में. 50 लोग तो एक्सपेक्टेड है कम से कम. इतनी देर आपने हमारे साथ में समय बिताया तो आई एम श्योर यू आर सफरिंग. यू वांट आंसर्स टू योर क्वेश्चंस and all of those questions will be answered in just 1 month. So would like to, yeah, you would get, Kanika, you would get the recording. You would get the recording in the group. Please join the WhatsApp group. I'd request the team to share the WhatsApp group link as well, so that people who have not joined the WhatsApp group, if you want the recording, you need to be in our WhatsApp group. There and there only we'll be sharing our recording. Plus I'll continue, ma'am, I'll continue the session for a little while.
Yes, thank you, Ayush. I didn't want to break you in between. Merry Christmas to all of you and hoping to see most of you in the group which starts on the 1st.
And Merry Christmas to you also.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
One more question. One more question.
Yes, please.
हाँ, ऑरेंजेस में क्यों ऐसा वो है कि ऑरेंजेस हार्मफुल हो रहे हैं?
क्योंकि हार्मफुल नहीं हो रहे, क्योंकि वो एलर्जी कॉज कर सकते हैं, इसलिए उनको हटाते हैं.
नहीं, what is the reason behind that? मतलब
because scientists have found out that they cause allergy to lot of patients. इसलिए जब हम
not a normal people.
No, in people who have leaky gut, sir.
अच्छा, who have leaky gut.
Right.
That, okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Merry Christmas to you. So I'll stay here for a couple more minutes.
असली जो चीज है उससे मुंह मोड़ के.
आप लोगों के कुछ सवाल रहते हो तो you can ask.
So are there any reviews of your program? I mean, where we can just go and see the reviews of any success story?
For sure. So you can go to our YouTube channel, which is by the name Yellow Squash.
Okay.
To YouTube and you'll type in Yellow Squash. I'll type in the name basically. So single word, Yellow Squash, and you'd come to our channel and there are a bunch of videos. There are several programs that we run, including Gut Cleanse. So सभी के आपको काफी सारे videos मिलेंगे. In the beginning of the session, I think you joined a little late. In the beginning of this entire discussion, we played several of our testimonials for about 10 odd minutes, basically.
Okay, sure.
So that is what you can do.
Anyway, I'll just go through your recordings. I mean, which you will be sharing in WhatsApp. So I'll just.
Yeah. Yeah. We have been sharing in our WhatsApp group as well. So वहाँ से भी आप देख सकते हैं. Request to you guys, all of you guys who are there, आप chat का एक link दिया हुआ है group chat का on WhatsApp. आप उसको join करके आप उस group का हिस्सा बने, so that you can get more and more information and so on, and you benefit from it, including this recording. Right. So anybody else, any other questions regarding the program or any other thing? Natesh ji, Kanakashan ji, your hands are up. All right. So, Hanji, Natesh ji, boli.
Yeah, Madam told that stress is the main cause for the gut lining. And how...
It's not necessary that stress is the main reason for gut lining to get compromised.
Yeah.
It could be one of the reasons. So basically what we say is that 30% of your gut health is dependent on your mental health. So in 30% of the cases that may happen, 70% of the cases, there could be an n number of issues. हो सकता है कि कोई infection हुआ हो, जिसकी वजह से gut में imbalance शुरू हो गया. हो सकता है there was constipation for whatever reason for a sizable period, and something started and it got unnoticed over a period of months and years and decades and all of that. It became an imbalance and finally led to leaky gut. So these things happen very slow, and we don't pay a lot of heed to a small little acidity here and there for ages. So वो हो जाता है.
So main thing is we have to take care of our food patterns and also the mental health.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay.
Absolutely.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Any other questions? People are there? All right. So I think I'd like to take your leave, and this is a good day, a festive day for many of us. So Merry Christmas to all of you, and a Happy New Year. Basically, it's about to come, anyways.
Thank you. Same to you.
Thank you, ma'am. And we would love to have you all join our group and serve you, help you cure yourself. Basically, it's not about money. It's definitely about the pleasure that we get in helping people overcome something they have been suffering from for decades, basically. Thank you all, and you'll get the recording if you are in the group. Thank you so much. Namaste.
Namaste.